put that into context, saying that how yesterday was one of the bloodiest days on Dalal Strait. A sharp decline across benchmark indices has translated into a staggering loss of 14 lakh crore rupees, all in just one trading session. While some savvy traders managed to profit off the plunge, lakhs of small investors have seen their portfolios wiped out in hours. With markets closing deep in the red, the shockwaves of this crash are expected to echo into the week.
Vijay Gupta, a small investor who has been associated with stock market for the past 30 years, was among those hit hard by Monday's market crash. He lost over 50,000 rupees in early hours of trade alone. Yet despite the steep losses, Gupta's faith in the strength and resilience of Indian stock market remains unshaken.
आज के हिसाब से मेरे पास 6 लाख का इन्वेस्ट है मेरे पास, जिसमें 50-60 हजार का देखा जाए तो नीचे है।
तो आपको क्या लगता है इसकी रिकवरी हो पाएगी लॉन्ग टर्म में?
इसकी रिकवरी का इसका 4 गुना हो जाएगा, 10 गुना हो जाएगा, लेकिन पोर्टफोलियो सही लेना चाहिए, अच्छे लोगों को पकड़ में रहना चाहिए। इस समय तो आपको विदेशी कंपनी छोड़ के आपको इंडियन कंपनी पकड़ना चाहिए और गवर्नमेंट कंपनी।
तो इसको आप क्या शॉर्ट टर्म लॉस देखते हैं जो आज हुआ, या लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए दिक्कत देगा?
ये शॉर्ट टर्म लॉस है, आगे भविष्य में लॉस नहीं है।
Another investor, Sachin, saw his portfolio take a hit, registering a 5% loss as markets stumbled amid uncertainties triggered by US retaliatory tariff actions.
मेरा अराउंड 5% आज SBI कार्ड डाउन है। तो
इस समय आपकी क्या स्ट्रेटेजी रहेगी?
अभी जैसे आई होप के मार्केट कुछ 1 साल बाद या 2 साल बाद, मतलब 6 महीने बाद शायद बढ़े, तो इसीलिए मैं मार्केट में रहना चाहूंगा।
Benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty plunged nearly 5% during the trading session, marking one of the worst days for the market in recent times. By the closing bell, the Sensex had shed almost 3%, while the Nifty ended with a loss of over 3.24%. But even on a day of deep red across the board, some traders managed to turn the tide in their favor thanks to timely anticipation and strategic moves. One such investor is Harbhajan Singh Tuteja, who predicted a market downturn and strategically invested in a put option, reaping gains amid the chaos.
I use options as a hedging mechanism. Recently, this market, what has happened recently in the market, which is the current fall due to Trump tariff, some way or the another way, in the charts it was visible, and I bought a put. So it was not a shocker. It was actually very pleasant for me.
And what do you think, how long this recovery will take?
I believe that it is at least going to take over a year again to hit the all-time high.
The overall market capitalization of BSE listed companies fell to 389 lakh crore rupees on Monday, down from over 403 lakh crore rupees in the previous session. This sharp decline translates to a staggering loss of 14 lakh crore rupees for investors in just a single trading day.
Massive protests have erupted